in my year as the president of the American Academy of Forensic Sciences. We're going to be meeting in Orlando, Florida next February, and being that we're in or near the happiest place on earth, the theme for my meeting is going to be celebrating the forensic science family. I learned early in my career that coming to the Academy meetings as a behavioral scientist, I had more to learn from the other sections than what I might learn in my own section, because everything about forensic science tells me something about the behavior of the perpetrator. So if I see blood spatter evidence, if I see autopsy photographs with wound patterns, if I see bite marks, this all gives me data about the behavior of the individual who is accused of committing the crime or who actually committed the crime. And so that's one of the three planks of my program. One is learning from each other. The most fascinating sessions I've ever attended at the Academy are when more than one section comes together on a common problem. And so my plan is to ask the program committee to put together interdisciplinary sessions where every section teams up with another section or multiple sections to take on a topic of common interest. So that's going to be the centerpiece of the meeting. So in addition to celebrating our mentors and the leaders of our Academy, I want to celebrate the traditions of our Academy, the things that I find most compelling and most interesting about the meetings from my early days here are traditions like the Last Word Society, where we take an infamous case and maybe bring several disciplines together to give the final definitive word. I remember one was Lizzie Borden took an axe and gave her parents 40 whacks, and what actually happened there, and a definitive answer to that. So I think that's a wonderful tradition. I think it's in keeping with interdisciplinary cooperation, and I would love to see us develop new traditions like that. We have the annual bite mark breakfast. Maybe we could have a toxic luncheon or a poisoner's brunch. I don't know, but I'm casting about for new ideas to keep our scientific curiosity fresh and alive, and maybe start some new traditions that are the things that make the Academy so special.